guys, this is Kiki, owner of Egyptian, and we're back with another inventory haul. Get some scissors. Got some scissors. So first package, we have from Amazon. I don't know what this is. I do know what this is now. So this is not part of my business. This is let me see. Should be my eyebrow jewelry. Yep, it's my eyebrow jewelry, and they gave me. Yeah, it's my eyebrow jewelry. So I'm be set. I'm about to order my lip jewelry so I could be set because I need some more, because obviously they keep coming off my mouth. Out my mouth. Okay. That. Next up, from Walmart, that I'm gonna put you guys on so y'all won't have to keep printing and paying for printing. When you can go to Walmart and buy your own Avery business card, all you need to do is go on Avery and type in that number, upload your designs, print your business cards out, and then boom. Same here. Go to Avery, type that number for your business labels, print them out, and voila. So we're going to put those underneath everybody, like so. Boom. Alright, next. Ooh. Next inventory. I think this is the inventory, y'all. This is the inventory. Now I gotta open it because it was the only eyeball of them all. Gosh, y'all put tape on it. I can't say gosh because this is how I'm be doing y'all package. If y'all seen this inventory, that does mean I am gonna have stuff for y'all to buy. That's all I'm getting for my roll-ons. This gotta be a huge joke, Amazon. Lord. Amazon about to piss me off. Amazon about to piss me off. $12. So it's 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 12. So they did not piss me off. I pissed my own self off because I should have ordered double. But I am going to go back and order double because I need 24. I need 24. I'm going to do all 12. 12 is going to be out. But I need to order more. Okay. Oh, shoot. That didn't go well. I'm going to show y'all. All right. Everybody cancel the party. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hold on. Let me count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The infamous droppers is back, y'all. And then my 24 droppers. So, droppers are back as the body oil. So, that's that inventory. Where I'm gonna put them? Unfortunately, these gotta stay in their box because I don't have any space for them. But I am happy they're here. When I say space, that can go back in there too. I meant like when y'all see me organize, where they're gonna go. Because I have my Cricut stuff. Yeah, where they're gonna go. So they're just gonna have to fit some space underneath my table, like I got everybody else underneath my table. Or they fit their space in this corner right here. What is this? Oh, my laptop thing. Alright. So y'all, this includes the inventory haul. Once again, Amazon did not piss me off. I pissed my own self off because I should have known who I was dealing with. So yeah, y'all, I'll be back with another video. Bye.